Hey guys, we just wanted to jump on and show you kind of how to use our Alpha controller. We have it on, whips are plugged in, ready to go. This is the BandLAN X app that you will download. Up here at the top is a little plus. You'll click on that. You'll see it'll say new group or add device. You'll click add. You'll see it pop up here. You'll just click it. Once it's connected, your screen will look like this. It'll say all channels, channel 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you are using the Street Legal Kit, you will want the whips plugged into your left and your right. The middle outputs will be for rock lights or glow strips. So if you are wanting to sync everything together, you can click all channels. It'll bring you here. You can change the colors, the modes, etc. with this dial here. This will choose if they're going up or down. Obviously the speed you can adjust to your liking, the length as well. When you are on a mode that lights up all the colors, you can fully customize the color you want them to be, or you can choose a color that's already pre-programmed. If you go back, we'll click on channel 1. This will control one single whip. So you can have them do different things at different times. You can go back, change this one to make them do different things at different times. The scenes tab are going to be your preset scenes on your remote. If you hold this, you can rename it, or you can go to channels, all channels, pick a mode that you want tab. You'll click this here at the top, whoops, these 3 lines here. When you click that, it'll say rename device or save effects to scene. If you click save effects to scene, you can choose which one you want it set on. So I'll do scene 1 here. Want to cover, okay. Now when I click on scene 1, it's going to be that mode that I chose. Same with the controller. When clicking 1 on the controller, it'll go to that mode. Now triggers. Trigger 1 is going to be your left blinker, trigger 2 is your right, trigger 3 are your brakes, and then trigger 4 are going to be your reverse lights if you have that option. If you hold this, you can rename the trigger. You can change the time of how long you want the blinker on after you turn it off. Or you can choose what channels are with that blinker. So if you have rock lights or glow strips and you're wanting those on the same blinker setting as well, you can choose to do so on here. And then you'll just push OK, close that. And when you turn it on, both that both the channels will integrate with that. You can change all of the other ones as well if you turn these on. You click on this and it will let you choose what you want the trigger to do when turned on. So if you save that, when you go out of here, now that that one is on, when you turn the left blinker on, it'll do that rainbow color that you selected. If it is off, like you see the right blinker here, it will do the pre-programmed amber color. If you decide later that you don't want it a different color and you want to go back to the amber, you just turn it off there. If you have the whips doing two different things at one time and you're wanting to sync them back together to be on the same setting, all you have to do is click this all channels and it'll sync them back together. The Alpha controller does have music modes. You'll notice when you're on a music mode that there will be music notes. If it does not detect any sound, they'll look like this. They'll be off, they won't work, nothing will happen with them. Once they detect sound, then they'll do the pattern. If you are wanting to rename your device so you know it's yours, these three lines up here will say rename device. You'll click that and you can rename it here whatever you wish. When you click OK, that'll be saved on there for you. That is the basic run through of the Bandlan X app for our Alpha controller. If you have any questions, please give us a call or email us. Thanks.